You know how when you go to a major concert, you see those massive towering walls of speakers? Like they're engineered to perfectly separate the rumbling bass from the piercing vocals.
Right, yeah.
But try shrinking that entire acoustic experience down into like a single sleek column that fits in the back of a hatchback. Suddenly you are fighting the laws of physics.
Oh, it is the ultimate acoustic puzzle,
Yeah.
for sure. I mean, you want massive power to fill a room, but you also demand absolute clarity.
Yeah.
Historically, you've really had to pick one or the other.
Yeah, exactly. So welcome to today's deep dive. It is practically a masterclass in acoustic physics today. We are looking at source material from HDTVSupply. They are a 25-year veteran in AV retail, by the way.
A really solid reputation there.
Right, and we're dissecting one specific beast of a speaker today. It's the QSC KC12-BK. Our mission here is to figure out exactly how they crammed 3,000 watts into a portable column, without breaking the laws of sound.
Right.
And at $1,999 a pop, we really want to know what makes this gear essential for serious musicians and AV pros.
Well, to really understand who this is built for, you have to look right at the raw power under the hood. I mean, this thing is driven by a 3,000-watt amplifier with an integrated DSP.
Wait, DSP?
Digital signal processor.
Okay, got it. But 3,000 watts in a single portable column? That sounds like a recipe for, I don't know, blowing out the front row while the back row just hears total mud.
Yeah, you'd think so.
Like, how does it not just distort immediately when you crank it?
So that is exactly where the three-way architecture comes in. What's fascinating here is that when you pump that much volume through a standard two-way speaker, the internal components physically struggle.
Oh, because they're trying to do too much.
Exactly. They are trying to reproduce extreme lows and crisp highs simultaneously. They end up fighting each other for space.
Right.
But here you have a powered 12-inch subwoofer, two 4-inch mid-range drivers, and a 1-inch compression driver.
Okay, I love this setup. It's almost like a perfectly balanced rock band,
Oh, that's a great way to put it.
Right. By giving the bass, the rhythm, and the lead their own dedicated drivers, nobody is fighting for the same frequency space. Everyone basically gets their own stage.
Precisely.
And I actually saw this compression driver uses something called a leaf waveguide. What is that actually doing in practice?
Yeah, so that leaf waveguide is crucial. Instead of the high frequencies just blasting everywhere, like bouncing off the ceiling and muddying up the room, the waveguide physically shapes the sound.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it throws those crisp highs directly at the audience's ears.
Hmm.
And that integrated DSP we mentioned, it acts as this invisible conductor, ensuring the handoffs between all those separate drivers are completely seamless.
Which I guess explains how it achieves that massive 145 by 35 degree coverage area.
Yep, exactly.
Plus, it includes a 32-inch column pole, so you can adapt it to sit on a floor or a stage or a riser. Very versatile. But let's talk about getting audio actually into this thing.
Right, the connectivity.
Yeah, you've got your standard combo XLR inputs for your main mixing board, but they also threw in a 3.5mm jack, which seems small, but I mean, when the wedding singer's backing track is stuck on some old phone, that tiny jack totally saves the gig.
Absolutely. I mean, it's really about combining bulletproof traditional wiring with modern flexibility.
Well, speaking of modern flexibility, I do have to push back on one feature here.
Oh, let's hear it.
It has Bluetooth audio. I mean, I have had Bluetooth dropout just connecting to my car.
Fair point.
Right. Like, I wouldn't trust it for a paid wedding gig. Why is that even included on a $2,000 professional rig?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture of modern live production, the Bluetooth isn't just for, streaming a playlist from your phone.
Right.
It actually features TWS, or True Wireless Stereo. And
What?
that is the real secret weapon here. TWS allows two of these columns to pair wirelessly for true stereo separation.
Wait, really? Just completely wireless stereo?
Exactly. It gives AV professionals total agility without forcing them to tape a 50-foot XLR cable across a crowded dance floor.
Okay, yeah, that wireless flexibility is amazing for a solo gig. But outfitting an entire venue with these columns, that is a massive capital investment.
Well, for sure.
At basically $1,999 each, technical specs really only go so far when you are relying on gear to make a living. You need it to last.
Right. You need human fail-safes. That is why the logistics matter just as much as the acoustic engineering here.
Yeah.
It comes with a 3-year warranty out of the box.
Yeah.
But get this, just by registering the product, QSC doubles it to a 6-year warranty.
Wow, 6 years. That shows immense confidence in the hardware.
It really does.
And the retailer matters too, right? Like HDTVSupply maintains a 96% rating of 4 or 5 stars. Reading through the source material, there's actually a note about a customer praising a rep named Rachel for helping navigate a really complex order.
Which is huge.
Yeah.
Because when you're dropping thousands on a rig, having an actual human being who can troubleshoot venue orders is vital.
Oh, totally. Oh, and pro tip for the venue owners out there who are buying in bulk, you can actually save 5% just by using a check or wire transfer.
Hey, 5% on a massive order adds up fast.
It really does. So whether you are an aspiring mobile DJ or just someone who, appreciates premium AV tech, understanding how high-end live sound is engineered and protected makes you a much sharper consumer.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more.
So let's go back to that towering wall of sound we talked about at the beginning. We've somehow managed to shrink it down into a single, perfectly balanced column.
It's incredible.
It is, but it leaves you with a lingering question, right? If a single portable system can now seamlessly blend 3,000 watts of raw power with true wireless stereo streaming, how much longer until traditional cable-heavy live sound setups become entirely obsolete?
That is the big question.
Will the concert stage of the future be completely wireless? Just something to think about the next time you're at a show.